Hey guys, so today I'm just doing this look for you. It is my everyday makeup look. I still wear a full face of makeup every day, if you can tell, but definitely my foundation is a lighter coverage and I wear a lighter amount of it. Is that the right way to say it? Anyway, I just don't wear too much foundation. I put like only one coat on. You'll see, it was kind of a mess today for me, but I'm still gonna post it anyway because it is my everyday routine and I am a klutz every day. So if you like it, just keep on watching. I'll show you how I did it. Alright, so I started off with my eyebrows done already. Oh, my laundry's ready. Hold on. That was so weird. So like, my laundry wasn't even ready. I got all these dryer balls at hand. I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow primer. I almost always use my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. I am breathing heavy. Why? I've been going to the gym like 5 times a week, so I'm kind of upset that I'm winded. But my laundry said 27 minutes, so I put a timer on my phone, but then I just went down there and it said 8 more minutes. So I'm gonna have to go switch that out again. So I just primed my eyelids with Shadow Insurance, and now I'm gonna go in with a blended brush. A tapered blending brush. I'm going to go in with Natural Beauty from the Tartlette palette and just pop that into my crease. Keep in mind when I say crease, I always mean like my eyeball socket because my crease is down here. I got them Asian eyes. So when I say crease, I mean my eye socket area. So what I do is I just quickly try to buff that in there. So like, this is my everyday look, but if you know me in real life, I wear like a full face of makeup every day. The only thing that changes is my eyeshadow isn't as elaborate. And even when it's not as elaborate, there's this much blending to do. Okay, so that's about that. And then I just go in with Marzipan. If you can see, it has such a big dent in it because this is my everyday look. This is, I promise. And I just pat that on using my finger. Go back in with that brush one more time just to blend it out. That's all I do for my eyeshadow, which is really strange because my eyeshadow usually, ooh, what is this? What is that? Oh. I'm breaking out so bad. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So then I'm going to go in with eyeliner and I'm going to use the trusty NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. God damn it. Let's hope I don't see someone on the way down to the laundry room. Let's grab these balls. Where are my quarters? I'm back again, and I figured out why my laundry wasn't ready. And it's because I'm dumb. What went off earlier, what I thought was the timer for my laundry, oh, I'm so winded, was actually an alarm. I've been using a lot of poreless or like pore eraser type of primers lately, and I've really liked these two so far, which is the Maybelline Baby Skin and the e.l.f. poreless face primer. I don't know which one I want to use today. I'm gonna go with Baby Skin. Is it just me or do like all pore primers smell like road detergent? Or not detergent. Washing my roaches. Like roach killer, no? Like, they all have that like chemically gross smell. I always start like towards my nose on the sides of it, because those are where I have the most pores. Now I'm going to go in with my Neutrogena Healthy Skin Foundation and blot that all over. Oh my god, I forgot my mascara. So put that on. And I'm just going to go in with my Ulta Beauty Blender. Do you hear that like tap on my face? Like, it's so interesting, this blender. This is my first like week using it and trying to get an impression on it because I want to do a beauty blender like review. When it first came out of the package, it was like rock hard, but now it's actually got some squish to it. So for my everyday, I always put on like a super light layer of foundation, and then I go in with my concealer, which is my Maybelline Fit Me, of course. I love this thing. I really wanted to try the Catrice like liquid camouflage concealer, but it was sold, yeah, it was sold out of stock. And I think it just came back in stock, so I have to go order that. Oh my god, I forgot I have zits. Maybe I should use the Superstay foundation, the new Maybelline one, with that awesome coverage. Oh my god, it's like, I didn't know I liked full like coverage foundations until I tried that one. Guys, try it, it's awesome. But try to use a pore filling primer with it because it does have a tendency to like enlarge your pores and like clog them. And that was like the first foundation that's ever really enlarged my pores that badly. I'm gonna go in with my Coty Airspun to set my face, mostly my concealer, where I set my concealer. Like honestly, I think the internet found Coty Airspun literally just because of Tati. And we all have to thank her for that. Before I forget my mascara, I'm gonna curl my lashes here. I don't know why my like left eye is always so much harder to curl. I always pick up some like eyelid. And now I'm going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation in Waterproof. I love this foundation. I'm like not too excited about the packaging because it is a matte plastic, which I thought looked great, but it gets dirty so easily. Then I get my other eye. You kind of have to work quickly with this mascara if you want a second coat. It'll kind of dry quickly. Oh my god, it's on my eyelid, it's on my eyelid, oh my god. Better. I lost my recording, guys. Anyway, what I said was I'm gonna finish up my eyes and then I'm gonna finish up my face. I actually just finished up my eyes. I went in with the Wet n Wild waterproof liquid liner, dotted it in the waterline, and then smudged it over with a flat liner brush. And I did put a little bit of Power of Beauty in that under my eyes with the flat liner brush. It does really well in my waterline. It's actually the only eyeliner that I can think of that actually stays put, like even within the high-end worlds, like the Urban Decay 24/7 like glide on pencil. That's supposed to stay on forever, but it doesn't. It smudges on me pretty badly actually sometimes. Depends on how long I wear it for. Today is a mess. Should I even put this up? Alrighty then, now that we're back on track and caught up, to finish up my face, I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I wonder where that zit came from. Like, I don't usually get like cheek zits. I always get like blemishes on my T-zone because I'm not like too oily. I have combination skin, but I'm like normal to dry actually. But I'm breaking out, and if you don't know, like cheek blemishes are usually hormonal, and then T-zone is usually because of dirt and oil, so I don't typically get hormonal blemishes. This thing smells so coconutty, and I love coconut water, but I usually try to stick like to things that are unscented. You like can't not use it, even if you hate the scent. It's kind of like with the Coty Airspun, because the Coty Airspun kind of smells like a nice old person. Is that what it smells like? It smells old-fashioned, not like a drink. So what I usually use every day is my Essence Pure Nude highlighter because it's such a great everyday highlighter. It's such a natural glow and it's buildable. So I'm just going in on a more precise blending brush. That way I could build right on my cheekbone. We're almost done, guys. And then just down my nose really quickly. And the Cupid's bow lightly. Finishing touches for my face is blush. Today I'm using the Essence Satin Touch Blush in Satin Love. I almost put on too much there. And by almost, I just missed too much by like a hair. This stuff is surprisingly pigmented and I always forget. I call it a butter stick, but it's lip butter. I always use this like as my everyday because it's so hydrating and it fades instead of like, it fades nicely. I can eat without looking like I got lip liner after I eat. It's so hydrating and my color is like, still has pigmentation. It's got a glossy finish without the feeling of a gloss on your lip. And then to set it, I use the Milani Make It Last. This thing is amazing. Okay, so the one thing I don't really like about the setting spray is the scent of it. It has like a, it's not a bad scent, I just try to avoid scents like I said. It has like a cologne kind of a scent, and that's because it does have alcohol in it. So if you have dry skin, I want to say avoid any setting spray with alcohol in it because it is a very, very drying agent. Except it's not drying on my face right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this look and I hope you enjoyed watching me fumble around trying to get my laundry done while I do my makeup. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.